I am Dr. Hani Al from Egypt. I came to Medicity to has a fellowship in minimal invasive surgery and also to get master in the minimal invasive surgery. According to the experience in the Medicity, overall my experience is very comprehensive and very rich because this can be divided in certain types or certain situations. My experience in the dry lab is highly appreciated, and it is more comprehensive and they give me a good coordination about handling the coordination between my eye and the hand movement. Also, in wet lab, give me experience in how to proper handling of the tissue and improve my experience in how to behave with the tissue. In operative theater, I have the opportunity to assist in many of the advanced laparoscopic surgery and many of the robotic surgery, and allowed me to deal with more advanced cases and a good organizations of the hands-on on the OT. We did in human cases, we did a lot of cases like total laparoscopic hysterectomy, endometriosis, dissection and excision, endometriotic nodules or spot, excision of the ovarian endometrioma, small laparoscopic myomectomy, and also cervical isthmoplasty. Also, we did total laparoscopic hysterectomy, robotic laparoscopic hysterectomy, endometrioma, and difficult and grade 3 endometriosis, laparoscopic cervical anastomosis. Also, we did robotic total laparoscopic hysterectomy, robotic adhesolysis, robotic endometriosis, dissection, endometriotic dissection. We did tubal excisions, laparoscopic tubal excision, laparoscopic ovarian cystectomy for dermoid cyst and simple cyst, and different kinds of the ovarian cysts. Also, we did bilateral salpingectomy for cases of the biosalpinx and hydrosalpinx. We removed laparoscopic myomectomies. I think we did most of the majority of the gynecological operations, advanced and simple operation. Staff here is very kind, helpful, supportive. They doing everything for how to help you, and very smiley people. Okay, I want to thank them very much. Indian people is very kind and helpful. I didn't fear any homesickness, or I came here and I behave like as it is my country, not it is different from my country. The people is very helpful, smile, and I saw different places. I wanted to actual them. It is very the art of the engineering is very complicated, and it's very majestic. I have a lot of friends here. I think all the staff in Medicity become my friends, and I have a big family now. Also, I met another doctors in the came for also to attend the courses in the Medicity. I think India become one of the centers of also the great centers on the laparoscopy science. Also, the Medicity considered one of the top 4 of the institute that is provide laparoscopy training workshop. When I went to the operating theater, I met a very kind person and very helpful. This was Dr. Suman Lee. She was keen on the patient. She was meticulous. She was wanted to keen to transfer all things, all education to you, and also wanted to transfer her experience to you. The theater, the operating theater is very equipped, even with difficult cases, but with these clever people around us, they facilitate any obstacles that we can. And for younger generation, I advise them to start in the Medicity very early and during a young age. That will have a good experience, and it will give them a basic knowledge that can build up a good experience. Also for experienced people that Medicity provide, so I think it is a very helpful place to them for young generation and also in old generation. And I hope I will come again. India, one of the best countries I visit, and I gain good experience with them. And I think I will repeat this visit again.